beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this quick, simple and easy to make homemade chocolate drink with just few ingredients. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So in my bowl I'll be adding in my sweetened cocoa powder. Next I'll add in my milk. So I'm gonna dissolve this till it is very smooth. See, making chocolate drink from scratch at home is very simple and there is no need for chocolate syrup. Okay, so next I'll add in my sugar and I'll add in water. So I'm gonna stir this. After testing it, the sugar wasn't enough, so I went ahead to add in more sugar. So keep testing until you get the taste you are going for. So for you, you can add in more sugar or less sugar. Okay, test until you are satisfied with the taste. So I'm gonna mix everything together to combine properly. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected to the family and continue watching. This recipe, you can use sweetened cocoa powder or unsweetened cocoa powder with a bit of sweetener, okay, to your taste. Both adults and kids will definitely love the taste of this recipe. So I'll go ahead to tie this in a nylon and I'll also be canning some. Just do you. This homemade chocolate milk recipe requires just 3 simple ingredients and you have a full control of what goes into your drink. And this recipe is customizable, meaning you can use your favorite types of milk and you can use any sweetener of choice. Okay, you can adjust the sweetness to your taste, and for extra taste and extra flavor you can add in vanilla extract or cinnamon. So this is my final look. You can use this drink immediately or hot by heating it up, or you can also go ahead to refrigerate it and serve it chill. Try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye.